Today we're checking out the brand new Dell XPS 13 9350, one of the first in Dell's Copilot Plus PC lineup. Now this is a laptop that's designed for AI-powered productivity with Intel's new Core Ultra 7 processor, a stunning OLED display, and a super sleek design. Now whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative, this laptop has something for everyone, but is it the right laptop for you? Let's have a closer look. So first off, this thing is thin, like it is really thin. Now Dell calls it their slimmest XPS yet, and you can tell the moment you pick it up at just under 1.2 kilograms, it's incredibly portable. The chassis is made from a machined aluminium with Gorilla Glass 3, giving it that premium minimalistic look, and you can pick between two color options in the platinum or the graphite. Now, one of the standout design features is the zero lattice keyboard and the haptic touchpad. Now, the keyboard has larger keys with deeper keycaps for a more comfortable typing experience, and the touchpad is completely hidden beneath the palm rest, giving it a seamless and modern look aimed at enhancing that usability. Additionally, Dell has included a touch function row, which will allow you to seamlessly toggle between media and function keys. Pretty cool. Now to that 13.4-inch OLED 3K display. With 2880 by 1800 resolution, Dolby Vision, and eye-safe technology, the screen is an absolute treat for the eyes. The blacks are deep, the colors are vibrant, and the infinity edge design gives it an almost bezel-less look, and that's great for viewing movies and working on creative projects. The tandem OLED display provides higher brightness and lower power consumption, making it Dell's most efficient display yet. Audio-wise, Dell has packed in a quad speaker setup with Waves Max Audio and Dolby Atmos. It delivers rich, immersive sound, great for music, great for videos, and also video calls, making sure everything is sounding crystal clear. Now, fun fact, the speakers have been tuned by a multi-Grammy award-winning producer, so basically you're getting a truly premium audio experience. Now over to what's under the hood. We've got the Intel Core Ultra 7 256V processor, 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, and a 512 gig SSD. So what does that mean in real-world use? To put it plainly, it's built for fast multitasking, AI-assisted workflows, and seamless creative tasks. Now, this is a Copilot Plus PC, meaning it's optimized for Microsoft's AI tools. One standout feature is Windows Studio Effects, which helps with things like background blur, automatic framing, and even eye contact adjustment, all ideal for anyone working remotely or frequently making video calls. The high performance NPU enhances these AI tasks, enabling experiences like text and image creation, productivity assistance, and faster photo and video editing. Speaking of Copilot, a new exciting addition to the Copilot Plus PC lineup is the dedicated Copilot key located right there on the keyboard. And this key gives you instant access to Copilot in Windows with a single press. Whether you need quick answers, inspiration, or assistance with tasks, the Copilot key makes using AI a more seamless experience, integrating intelligent productivity tools right at your fingertips. And if you're a creator, the Intel Arc graphics can handle photo and light video editing quite comfortably with the NPU or the neural processing unit, also enabling low-power AI features like real-time noise cancellation and instant transcription. If you're using Adobe Photoshop and looking for something that is genuinely portable and not the size of a suitcase, you're probably going to love creating on a device like this. With Intel's new AI-powered NPU, tasks like generative fill, object selection, and text-to-image generation run much smoother and faster. So whether you're, retouching photos, maybe you're designing some graphics for a business, or just creating digital art in general, the XPS 13 keeps things running buttery smooth so you can get more done in less time. Now let's talk input. The XPS 13 features two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, allowing for high-speed data transfer, external display port, and of course charging, giving you tons of flexibility with just two ports. With Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, you get the latest in wireless connectivity for fast and reliable performance, whether you're working, streaming, or if you're just playing games. Either way, you are covered for wireless connectivity. Now, if a decent webcam is something that's important to you, there's a high quality full HD camera right there at the top. So if you are a regular user of things like Windows Hello, you can still take advantage of that security feature for a fast and secure facial recognition login. Now, I have to say battery life is where Dell has really delivered. With the OLED model, you get up to 9 hours of daily use, while the lower resolution LCD model can last up to 17 hours on a single charge. Now, if you're powering through a workday, streaming content, gaming, whatever it might be, maybe you're just working while you're traveling, the XPS 13 is designed to remove those annoying barriers and keep you productive without constantly reaching for a charger. And when you do eventually need to connect for a quick battery top up, there are also fast charging capabilities via the 2 USB-C ports. So, is the Dell XPS 13 worth it? Well, it would definitely seem that way. I mean, if you want a thin, premium AI-powered Ultrabook with a stunning OLED display, great performance for everyday tasks, and cutting-edge AI features, this is definitely going to be an excellent choice. It combines the premium look and feel with power and portability into one seamless experience, making it a great companion for students, professionals, and of course, creatives. Let us know what you think of Dell's latest XPS 13 in the comments below. Thanks for watching.